Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use LTX 2.3 IC LoRA. Are you guys ready? Let's go.
Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use LTX 2.3 IC LoRA. Are you guys ready? Let's go.
This LoRA allows you to transfer you into any character that you want.
This LoRA allows you to transfer you into any characters that you want.
Honestly, let's play around with this a little bit. I touch my face, and I touch my hair, and I wave to the camera.
And let's play around with this a little bit. I touch my face, and I touch my hair, and I wave to the cameras.
So what do you think, guys? Do you want to try it yourself? And it's super easy. The whole video only took a few minutes to generate. Let me show you guys how.
So what do you think, guys? Do you want to try it yourself? And it's super easy. The whole video only took a few minutes to generate. Let me show you guys how. Alright guys, welcome back. Hope you guys enjoyed the intro videos. I wasn't planning to make a video today, and I tried out this IC LoRA and it just hit me again and it works so well. So I can't help myself and make today's video. So now let's break down how did I do it, and it's actually super easy. As you guys can see, I wasn't even shaved. I was just walking in front of my house and testing out these videos, and then it worked, so I published it. Then what you need to do is you come to CapCut, and then you can export a still frame. So this is the first frame when I'm starting this video, which is 8 seconds. So export still frame and then export it. So once you export this one, so this is the starting of your frame. So we'll have to replace me in here with another character, right? The characters you want to be, right? You can't just upload anything. You need to match the scene. So now come to here, guys. So I'm using Flex to Client multi-image reference. So this is one of the later ones I did, right? So pretty much the concept is the same. So that's a bit awkward. So I got a really awkward face here, but then I was recording a video, and then I'm putting in a reference image of this woman I created in the other project, which haven't posted yet. But you know, guys, stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and then I just writing in this prompt. So which I will leave this prompt in the description so you guys can copy. And then boom, got this result, right? So pretty much is the same concept, but now as you guys can see, I'm putting these two images side by side. As you guys can see, the only thing that changed is me. Everything else remained the same. So this is crucial, guys. This is how you stop the perfect sync. Is you need to replace the characters exactly where your source video is. And now we come back to our 12GP setup. So I'm gonna use this example because this is my last footage you've guys seen. And then I literally just create this footage right now. So I still have my interface here, right? So what you need to do is the same. You go to LTX 2.2, right? And then start video with image, and then load up the replaced image here. So this is the image we're gonna replace the control video. And now in here, you choose LTX2 raw format control videos for IC LoRA, right? And then area process, we choose whole frame. And then in the control video here, right? Let's just close it and upload our control video. So this is the control video. So what do you think, guys? Okay. Do you want to try it? But then how did you get the character to talk the same words as me, but in a different voice? But how do you get this result?
So what do you think, guys? Do you want to try it yourself?
The character is talking the same words as me, same posture, same facial expression, but in a different voice. So how do we achieve that? So this come to the secret settings right now. This is what I found. So now when we come down in these sections, choose general video and soundtrack based on the text prompt. That's when the match happens. Do not choose anything else, okay? And then look at my prompt. So this is where this thing actually works. The prompt is super simple. Yeah, the woman is talking in front of a camera, and she talked confidently with a feminine voice with American accent. You know, you don't need to say with American accent. You can say anything. And she says so, and then you have to type in a script, and this script need to be exactly same as my control videos. All right, I play it. See you guys, and you guys look at the script. So what do you think, guys? Do you want to try it yourself? And it's super easy. The whole video only took a few minutes to generate. Let me show you guys. I noticed that I actually made a mistake. I said do you twice. So on here you need to say do you twice. Otherwise this is not gonna pick up. Right? And then look the outcome.
So what do you think, guys? Do you want to try it yourself? And it's super easy. The whole video only took few minutes to generate. Let me show you guys.
And see, she actually said do you twice as well, and it looks super realistic and matched with my original control videos. So this is all the magic, guys, is you need to write down what the control videos actually said, but then generate video and soundtrack based on text prompt. If you choose, like say this one, uses original track and text prompt, it will end terribly. The mouse will be completely melt. So this is the success formula, guys. Okay, and then come to the settings. I think 720p is the most I can go there. If I go 1080p, it's gonna just takes forever, and maybe I don't have enough VRAMs. And then the critical part is here. So you open advanced mode under LoRa, and in here you have to choose the IC LoRa union control of LTX 2.3. All right, that's very important. So you come here, choose that. You have to manually select it, otherwise you won't work. 0.6 is the one I found worked the best. I tried at 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, and 0.6 was the best. You guys can use it 0.6, and if 0.6 does not work for you, play around with 0.5, 0.7. Otherwise, if you get good result, just stick with 0.6, right? And then the last thing is come here, set a frame as 30 FPS, right? And then after that, we're all set and ready to go. And just hit generate. You should get good result just off the bat. You know, LTX 2.3 give me so many surprises, and it's so much fun to play with it. And it's me testing all the hand gestures with that follow, and the face looks a bit weird, but it delivered. All right, guys, I have a lot more LTX 2.3 videos tutorial in my channel. Go check it out. And there's more awesome content coming, so don't forget to subscribe and smash the like buttons, and I will see you guys in the next video.